Hi everyone, this is Kruti Shai Pancholi, Assistant Professor in LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. This video is about subject Analog and Digital Communication System. In this video, we will revise the topic AM detector circuit and AM receiver. What is the detection, which we studied earlier in the previous videos? The detection means recovering the original signal from the amplitude modulated output. So, recovering the original signal from the amplitude modulated output the process of recovering the audio signal, that is, information signal from modulated signal, is known as demodulation process. As we know that the amplitude modulated output modulation we perform, that is for sending the signal from the to the higher distance. So that is why we need a procedure that is called the modulation. So now the signal which will be received at the receiving end consists of both the signal, that is the low frequency component and the high frequency component. So we need to recover the original signal or the information signal or the message signal from the amplitude modulated output. We need to perform the procedure which is known as the demodulation process. Here the diode is used as a detector, and this diode, what it will do? It will use as a detector and which will pass only the low frequency and high frequency content that can be removed. So the diode that can be used over here as a filter, and it is used as a low pass filter specifically. So it will pass the low frequency, it will attenuate the high frequency. Here again we have a coupling capacitor. What this coupling capacitor will do? It will block the DC component, and we have the only the AC component at the another end. So this is the procedure which is known as the demodulation procedure. So in the demodulation procedure, we are using diode as a low pass filter, and this C that is used, okay, again this C that is used, okay, that is to block the DC component. AM diode detector and its problems. As we have already discussed about what is the AM diode detector, which problems would be there if we go for the AM diode detector? The one problem, that is diagonal peak clipping. This is the form of the distortion where the time constant of the circuit is too long. So whenever the time constant of the circuit that is too long, the negative clip that you will found, that is like this. And what it will do? It will damage the curve of the envelope. So to avoid such kind of the clipping, what we should do? The IDC, okay, the DC current which will be flowing, that should be greater than equal to the IP. So this is the condition that we need to use. Negative peak clipping. For that, the V minimum is equal to Vc into 1 upon R into Rr plus R1. Here we have the diode D1. Here To prevent it, the resistance is connected. This is the capacitor. It is the another capacitor and R1. So in order to remove the negative peak clipping, minimum level of the V, that is 1 minus M maximum, must be kept greater than V minimum. So 1 minus M maximum, that is greater than R upon R plus R1, or R1 upon R plus R1 greater than equal to M maximum. AM detector. Diode detector is designed in such a way that it passes the audio signal and bypasses the carrier signal. Cutoff frequency of filter circuit is kept at the geometric mean or average of carrier frequency and maximum component of audio frequency. So F0 is equal to square root of Fc into Fm. Time constant T is equal to Rc is equal to 1 by 2 into pi into F0. You can also design the diode detector circuit to demodulate AM signal, which is modulated by audio signal 20 Hz to 10 kHz on a carrier frequency 1 MHz. Which diode will you use for AM detector, and what will be the R and C value? So by using the previous formula, you can design the diode detector to demodulate AM signal. Now next, the basic function of the receiver. As we know that amplitude modulated signal, which is transmitted by using the transmitting antenna. The transmitting antenna will transmit the AM modulated signal. The receiver will receive this transmitted signal. Now, the transmission of the signal and the transmitted signals, that are the electromagnetic wave. And these electromagnetic wave that can be received by the receiving antenna. And this wave will induce a voltage in the antenna. Now, the signal which will pass through from the various obstacles, various kind of the atmosphere. So signal can be affected by the various amount of the attenuation or the noise. So it is mandatory that while the signal is received at the receiving end, we need to amplify that signal by using the RF amplifier. So, if anyone will ask that what could be the first stage of the receiver, for any kind of the receiver, the first stage of the receiver is always RF amplifier. This will amplify the RF amplifier frequency. Next function of the receiver is the selection. What is the selection? The selection, that is the ability of the receiver to select a particular frequency of a station from all other station frequencies appearing at the antenna of the receiver. Tuned circuits are responsible for the selection. So, the receiver function is to select a particular frequency. As you know that the various frequencies which comes to the receiving end. Now, the tuned circuit, the LC tuned circuits are there at the receiving end. What it will do? It is responsible for the selection of the frequency. Detection. The another function of the receiver is detection. The detection is the action of separating low frequency signal from the high frequency signal. As I told that the signal consists of low and high frequency component, but the low frequency component that are having the information and the high frequency component does not have any information. The use of that high frequency component that is only to travel the larger distance. So a detector circuit is used to accomplish this action. Next is reproduction. What is a reproduction? It is the converting the electrical signal into the sound wave. As we know that the electrical form of the signal that is only to processing the information. We don't understand that form of the signal. So, whenever signal comes to us, it is mandatory to convert the signal form so that it can be heard by the human ear. Okay, and they can identify whether it's a speech or the music signal. So, reproduction, that is the action of converting the electrical signals into the sound waves which can be interpreted by the human ear as speech or the music. Audio voltage and the power amplifiers are used after the detector to amplify audio signal, and then it drives the loudspeaker to reproduce sound waves. Next is characteristics of the receiver. The various functions that we have seen for the receiver. To accomplish those functions of the receiver should have or the must have the following characteristics. One is the sensitivity. What is the sensitivity? The ability of a receiver to reproduce weak signal. Now, the receiver will receive the various kind of the signal. Now, we need to reproduce the signal. So, reproduce the weak signal is a function of the sensitivity of the receiver. So, the weaker a signal that can be applied to a receiver and still produces a certain value of a signal output, the better the sensitivity rating. Selectivity. It is an ability of the radio receiver to select desired channel and reject unwanted neighboring channel. Selectivity is the degree of distinction made by the receiver, and the degree of the selection is determined by the sharpness of the resonance to which the frequency determining circuits have been tuned. So it is the selectivity. So selectivity means the selectivity that is to select the desired channel and reject the unwanted signal. Next is the fidelity. The fidelity of a receiver, that is the ability to accurately reproduce in its output the signal that appears at its input. Image rejection. Image rejection is an ability of the radio receiver to reject the image signal. So image frequency means the same output will be appear at the other frequency. So we need to reject that image frequency. So how can you reject? By using this formula, we can reject the image frequency. So it is about the characteristics of the receiver. So next time we will learn about the tuned RF amplifier. So thank you very much everyone.